Suppression fire only. We take this one alive. Tight formation.
Don't tell me Mech never considered that an open-channel distress signal from an injured Decepticon might be a trap.
I'll bear that in mind next time.
Next time? Decepticon radio chatter's all abuzz about the workover you gave poor Breakdown. As an ex-con myself, I really should eviscerate you for that. But an old acquaintance and her nasty little human destroyed my ship and skinned my knee. I mean to pay them back in kind. Both of them. You see, I may get in and out of places most Decepticons can't, but I'm still learning to navigate this planet.
What's in it for Mech?
I'll let you live. And since you came to collect a transformer, was it? I'll throw in whatever's left of RC after I've broken her.
Thanks for walking me home, Jack. You're a real gentleman.
I don't want you revved up before bedtime. Mom's a light sleeper, and I don't think that she'd understand about...
Understand what, Jack? You breaking curfew for the 3rd time this month?
Mom!
Or why your boss called about you missing another shift at work? Or maybe the email I received from your art history teacher who's concerned that you've been falling asleep in class?
Well, 2 words, Mom. Art and history.
Tell me the rumors aren't true, Jack. Tell me you're not racing that motorcycle.
No, wait, where did you hear that?
Small town. People talk. I work in an emergency room, Jack. I've seen what can happen. So please, tell me you haven't fallen in with a bad crowd.
What? No, my friends are the good crowd. Seriously good.
I let you have that bike because you convinced me you were mature enough to handle it. But I think you may need a gentle reminder.
Message received, Mom. Loud and clear. I'm glad we had this talk.
I meant, let's see if a few weeks without the distraction of your motorcycle will do the trick.
But...
No buts. You're grounded from everything but school and work. And if you want to take a bike to either, you'll pedal. Serious face, Jack. If I see that motorcycle out of the garage... Now, go wash up and get some sleep. I love you. I'll miss you while you're grounded.
Don't worry, RC. I'll visit you here every day.
Jack? I won't be here. Sitting on my fat tires for 2 weeks is not an option.
No. You saw Mom's serious face. Look, RC, I feel badly enough that I've had to lie to her all this time, but if you're not here, she's gonna think that I'm blowing her off.
Deep breaths, Jack. Your mom works late nights. I'll try to be back in the garage before she gets home, but no promises.
Hey, Ma.
Jack, I hope you're not planning to eat takeout tonight. I took my break early so I could cook my grounded son a wholesome dinner.
Organic tofu. Awesome. Hey, car beats 10 speed. I'll be home soon. Love you. Bye. Come on, pick up. RC, you wouldn't be in the garage right now.
Negative, Jack. Can we talk about this later?
No, Mom's on her way home. If you don't race back there right now, I will be grounded for life. And Mom will make me sell you for parts.
B, can you handle it? Ratchet, I need a bridge.
Jack! I can't believe you disobeyed me. Where is the motorcycle?
What do you mean? She's right where I left her.
Did you get one of your crew to sneak it in? Or did you just walk it up again?
Okay, Mom, do you really want to know? Fasten your seatbelts. My motorcycle is a sentient robotic organism from a distant planet. Part of a team stationed here on Earth fighting a secret war. And I spend most of my time after school hanging with her crew.
Jack.
And the coolest thing, this isn't even her actual form. She's really a giant robot who can transform into a vehicle.
Enough, Jack.
It's okay, RC. Show yourself. She's shy. RC, really, no more hiding, no more lies. Oh, come on, roll out already.
So, the bad crowd you've been hanging out with is a science fiction club? I have to get back to work. We will continue this when I get home.
Thanks for the support, partner.
Don't blame me. Remember,
I know. You don't exist.
Your ship's black box sustained serious damage in the explosion, but our software was able to reconstruct a few frames from the security feed.
That's him. My Jack.
Our facial recognition algorithm will send Jack's image across the web. Another kind of web. Ah, the mother lode.
Government database?
Social networking page. Everything worth knowing about Jack Darby is right here. Age 16, Jasper, Nevada. Mother, June Darby. A nurse.
Maybe I'm being too hard on Jack. But he lied. And the only way he's gonna learn is if I stick to my...
RC, is Mom home yet? I didn't see her car.
don't know. I just bridged from base to beat her here. Oh, and there's a package for you.
Hello, Jack.
Silas.
What is it? What's going on?
Mech.
They know where I live?
We know things about your family that even you don't know. For example, do you know where your mother is?
What did you...
Understand, Jack, we have no intention of hurting her. In fact, we'd like to reunite the two of you as soon as possible. I just need you and RC to follow the GPS coordinates programmed into this communicator. They'll lead you to the temporary facility I've set up.
Ratchet.
RC?
Did I not mention our communicator scrambles the signal and your brains? Any break in communication or attempt to reach the other Autobots and Miss Darby, well, I wouldn't want to feel responsible for the outcome.
If anything happens to her because of my connection to all this,
Jack, Mech is only interested in me. Once they get what they want, they'll let your mom go.
that's not exactly reassuring. Your family, too. So, what's the plan?
The usual.
Mom?
Looking for June? She's hanging around here somewhere.
Arachnid.
What's she doing here?
Help them, please. They're human like you. You can't let Arachnid...
A few human lives are a small price to pay for a miracle of science like yourself.
Mercy!
You and I will have a private session later. Promise.
Gentlemen.
I'm still learning about humankind, but one thing is clear to me, Jack. You people care deeply about family. Therefore, the sweetest revenge I could possibly devise would be to make you watch as I take your family apart.
If you hurt my mother,
You remember how much I enjoy sport, don't you, Jack? So I'll give you the opportunity to save your mother. I've stashed her close by. If you can rescue her before the stroke of 12, I will let both of you go unharmed. Deal?
And if I can't,
What do you think?
please, don't let her do this. You can let us go. We won't tell anyone.
Enough.
Yes, Jack. Man up already. 6 minutes.
Mom? Mom!
Now, I know we promised the Spider-Bot that she would have first crack at you, but something tells me she plans to turn our mutual crisscross into a double-cross.
Silas, we don't have the means of transporting it right now.
We'll have to cut and run. Open her up.
Mom!
Jack? Jack, what are you doing here? Who are these people? How did I get in this stuff?
Don't worry, Mom. I'm gonna get you out.
Jack, the robots are real?
I beat your deadline!
Afraid not, Jack. The task wasn't for you to find your mother by midnight. You had to rescue her. And time's up. Now. Take a seat, sit back, and enjoy the horror show.
Make haste, gentlemen. And don't worry about making a mess.
You know, Jack, she's your mom. Why should I have all the fun? So you get to choose agonizing or excruciating.
No!
Jack, your mother wants to know. Don't leave her dangling.
You monster! Stop this!
We only have time to take one part. Go straight for the heart. Let her go. No matter the outcome, the spoils will be ours.
Well, Jack, if you won't decide, I guess it's lady's choice.
Mom, I'm sorry.
No! Jack, your motorcycle?
I can explain, Mom. Wait, I already did.
Mech lost breakdown. What were the odds they could hold on to you?
Hang on, June.
Aim for the creepy crawly.
How did they find us?
You can let us go. We won't tell anyone. Thanks for coming, Agent Fowler.
If I'd known cons were involved, I would have called in Prime.
That might have been too much for Mom to handle in one night.
Ah, not again!
No!
So that's how it's done. Genius.
Mrs. Darby, I'm Special Agent William Fowler. It's time you knew the truth. For the past several months, Jack has been interning for me at the agency.
Agent Fowler, Mom's not gonna buy it.
He's got that right.
Agent Fowler.
Let me guess, without a trace. Ah.
And she would be your...
motorcycle, guardian, Autobot, friend.
Call me RC.
Thank you, RC.
I think it's time for that ride you once made me promise. Mom, meet my science fiction club.